One of the most important traits that are needed for success, and that is consistency. Whether it's in your personal or professional life, consistency is the key to achieve your goals and making your dreams come true. But let's be honest, being consistent is not easy. It's required discipline, commitment and perseverance. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to be consistent and achieve success in your life. Tip number 1, set realistic goals. The first and the most important step towards being consistent is setting a realistic goal. When you set a goal that are too high, it becomes difficult to maintain consistency because you may get overwhelmed and lose motivation. So it's important to set achievable goals that you can work towards every day. By setting small and achievable goals, you will feel more motivated to work towards them consistently and see progress over time. Tip number 2, create a schedule. Consistency requires a routine, and the best way to create a routine is to create a schedule that you can follow every day. Whether it's your work schedule, workout routine or study schedule, having a routine will help you to stay on track and ensure that you are making progress every day. So take some time to create a schedule that works for you and stick to it consistently. Tip number 3, find accountability. Sometimes the best way to stay consistent is to find accountability. This can be in the form of a friend, a mentor or a coach. When you have someone holding you accountable, you are more likely to stay consistent because you don't want to disappoint them. Additionally, having someone to share your progress, which can help you to stay motivated and on track. Tip number 4, celebrate small wins. Another important aspect to being consistent is celebrating small wins along the way. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see progress right away, but by celebrating small wins, you will stay motivated and encouraged. So every time you reach a milestone, no matter how small, take the time to celebrate it and give yourself a pat on the back. Celebrating small wins will help you to stay consistent and motivated to keep going. Tip number 5, practice self-care. Finally, it's important to practice self-care. Consistency requires discipline and commitment, and it's easy to burn out if you don't take care of yourself. So make sure to take break, rest when needed, and prioritize your mental and physical health. By taking care of yourself, you will be able to maintain consistency and achieve your goals without burning out. Consistency is the key to success, and it's something that we all struggle with at times. However, by setting realistic goals, creating a schedule, finding accountability, celebrating small wins, and practicing self-care, you can maintain consistency and achieve your goals. Remember, consistency takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. So keep pushing forward and stay consistent, and the success will be yours. And lastly, I want to say that be the only one or the best one.